Hi Crafty Friends, it's Scrapping Sylvia. How's everyone doing tonight? I hope everyone had a wonderful weekend. Okay, so today we're going to do an unboxing from Diamond Art Club. And this one's called Purple Meadow by Anne Julie Aubry. Okay, and it comes in this beautiful box. It's very shiny. And it's got the square there, so it tells you that it means that it's a square diamond drill. And if you look at this is what's so funny. I don't ever recall seeing wax, the picture of wax, and I was trying to pick it up. Yeah. Okay, so on this side, scan me, unlock for 10% off. On the back, it tells you step by step how it works, instructions, what's inside the kit. All right, and that's about it. So let's open this up. It comes with the plastic, and I already removed the plastic. Okay, here's the toolkit. And it should come with 2 stickers. This sticker, guys, I always put it on the bottom of the box. So let's do that right now. And that way I have my boxes one on top of the other, as you can see, one on top of the other, and I number them. I number the boxes. And that way, if they're on top of each other, I know that inside this box is Purple Meadow, and it's easier to find. Okay, so let's take out this baby. Let's look at the toolkit first. And I know I don't have to rip it, but I like ripping it. I don't know why, but I just do. If I can get it open. Okay. All right, let's see. What's inside the bag? Ooh. Okay, so we have the resealable bags, just in case you don't have the containers with you, so you could put the drills in this. Okay, then we have the pointy tweezers, which I love. Then you have the pen and the grip. That's for the pen, and it helps with your hands, especially if you have arthritis. I like the color actually. It's black. Yeah. And then it has 2 placers. And look how pretty the washi tape. It's actually Christmas decorations. Can you see that? How pretty that is. Okay. And then of course it always comes with some wax in shape of hearts, 2 of them, in a very cute heart container. And cover minder. Well, I don't know, what is it? It's not a burger. It's like a pastry. I have no idea, but it's cute. All right, and of course the tray, and with the stopper. Okay, very deep, very nice. All right, now the painting. The canvas always comes in a plastic bag to protect the painting while it travels. And don't throw this away, because you could actually, if you're not going to work on the painting, you could put it back in the plastic bag to protect it. Let's take out the drills. Wow, that's a lot of drills, guys. And there should be the big sticker in here. Okay, yep. So let's see. It says thank you for your purchase. What's inside the kit? Tips and tricks. Thank you 10 for 10% off your next purchase using that coupon. VIP Facebook group, step-by-step instructions, and a 20% off your first purchase through the app. You have to download our app and start creating your masterpiece today. All right, and here's the big sticker. Now this sticker, I basically placed this in my logbook. Okay, so it has Purple Meadow by Diamond Art Club by Anne Julie Aubry. You put down the start date, the end date, and then it has the pre-cut stickers that you put on you place these on your containers. Okay, put that aside. And let's look at the painting. Okay, let's start this way. Okay, actually, well, let's discuss first something. The canvas. I forgot to tell you about the canvas, guys. The canvas, like always, Diamond Art Club's canvas are very, very soft. They're designed to prevent wrinkling and fraying, and they're made from heavy-duty waterproof tarpaulin fabric for extra strength. Okay, very, very soft, soft like butter. All right, and then in the bottom, it always has a picture. It tells you DAC, which is Diamond Art Club. Purple Meadow is the name of the painting. It's 20 inches by 28 inches, 50.8 centimeters by 70.7 centimeters. Anne Julie Aubry, Diamond Art Club. Okay, in the middle always has their, you can find them on Facebook and Instagram. And then over here, it's a lifetime warranty. They have a 30-day money back guarantee. They have the lifetime warranty. They have the free diamond spill insurance. And they also have the 10% cashback rewards with every order, which is awesome. Okay. So let's open up this baby. Now with this canvas material, you could actually, I'm gonna turn it the other way, roll it up a little bit so I can make it a little flatter. And you can do this with Diamond Art Club. Okay. All right. And there we go. Voila. Wow, guys. She's beautiful. Let me just move this over here so you can, the light doesn't, the glare. Okay. So let's see. On the top, it tells you Do What Makes You Sparkle by Diamond Art Club. And then over here on the left-hand side, on the upper hand side, has the legend. And then it also has a legend on the bottom right-hand side. Okay. If you look at the legend, it tells you how many colors there are, and there's 54 colors. Wow, that's a lot. And the symbols is what's on the painting, and the DMC code. All right. Let's look at this beauty. Now let me tell you a little bit about Anne Julie, the artist. Anne Julie was born in France. Since she was a little girl, she's always loved working with arts and crafts, and her inspiration comes from everyday life, basically. People that she meets, fairy tales from nature, music, movies, and of course her dreams. And other paintings that she has, Diamond Art Club, which is, I think it's 3, which is this one. Gosh, what's the other one called? Moonlight Bride, and of course Talisman. Okay, which I love. Okay, so let's bring her up so you can see how clear. Look how gorgeous she is, guys. She's beautiful. I love her beautiful long black hair. She's wearing this beautiful dress. Wow, look how long it is. It's all the way down here. It sort of blends, so you really can't tell where the dress ends. And then she's surrounded by these beautiful white blossoms. And it's got they got pink and a little bit of purple. And of course she's got this very pretty ribbon. And of course, look what she has in her hand. She's carrying, I think those are butterflies. They're caged, but maybe she's running. I don't know. Maybe she's running in the forests or in the wilderness, and maybe she's gonna let them go. Maybe she's gonna let them free. So it's absolutely gorgeous. Love it. All right, let's see how sticky it is, guys. Very, very sticky. Okay, I'm just going to bring her up very quickly so you can see it a little closer, starting from the top. See her little mouth, her eyes, her long hair. The dress, look at that dress, guys. And of course, the white blossoms. And let's look at the caged. It looks like she has, I think she has, sorry about that. I'm trying not to make you dizzy, but I'm just trying to get this a little closer so you can see. Looks like they're butterflies. Absolutely gorgeous. I can't wait to start on this one. All right, so let's move it over here so we can look at the drills. Okay, so 154, there's 2 packets. 155. 159, very little of that one. 208, very little, and 209. So it looks like these are all in the purple family. Because if you love purple, this is the painting for you guys. Okay, so we have 315, 316, it's like a purple pink. 317, it's like a gray. And 318 is another gray. 327, very pretty purple. And then of course we have 310, and we have 4 packets of 310, okay, which is black. Okay. And then you have 413, very pretty gray. 414, another gray, but just a little lighter. And 415, another gray, even lighter than this one. Okay, so 451. And then 453, it's a very, very light brown, or I don't know, purple, like very, very light. And so we got 2 packets of this one, 453. And then 498, sort of like a reddish purple. No, like a reddish, it's a reddish. Okay, and then 524, it's a pretty green. 543, there's 2 packets of this one. It's like a light brown. And then 550, more purples. 2 of these, 550. 645 is a gray, very pretty gray. 646, it's like a gray green. Let's move this over here. 647, it's like a green gray. And then 648, there's 2 of these, and it's also like a light gray. And then this one's 712, we have 2 of these, and this is like an off-white. 718, it's very pretty, like a purplish pink. 754 is like a peachy color. 758, also like a peachy coral color. 762 is a light gray. Hopefully that's still in the frame. And 779, it's like a brown purple, very, very pretty. This one's 814, 815. These are gorgeous colors, guys. 823, there's 2 of these, and it's like a blue, royal blue. And 844 is a gray. Let's see if I can fit 915 in here. It's like a purple, like a pink purple. All right, I think I'm gonna have to move these. And so basically, so far we have tons of purple, guys, and grays. So mostly purples so far. So like I said before, if you love purples, this is the painting, guys. All right, let's see. And then we have 939 is a blue, very dark blue, and there's 3 packets of this one. This one's 3041, also like a purplish. 3350 and 3607 is like a pink. 3721, 3722, 3731, very, very little of these. 3746, a purple again. 3778 and 3782. 3834, another purple. 3835, well, let's just say in the purple family. 3837, 3858, this is like a light brown. 3860, and then 3861. All right, and then you have 2 packets of white, and this must be for the flowers, for the white blossoms. 5200. So you got 2 of these. And then we finished with all the colors. And now the exciting part. So we have 1AB, which is very, very pretty. It's like a light pink. Look at the sparkle on that, guys. Love it. But look at this. This is a special drill. So we got to find out where these special drills go. And the AB. All right, so let's come back to the painting. And if you look at the legend, so the AB is 1. So wherever you find 1, okay? I thought it was going to be on the lips, but it's not. Aha. I thought it was going to be on the ribbon, but it's not. It's on the flowers. So it's like little sprinkles of ABs of pink in the blossoms. And then over here, you have it also on the cage. And also more on the flowers. Okay, now the special drill. Where does it go? So the special drill is a plus sign. A plus sign. Okay, so let's start from the bottom, since we're already down here, right? Plus, plus, where are you? Is it in here in the blossoms? Nope. Okay. Is it in here? Nope. Huh. Where are you? Aha, I see them. Okay, so the plus, it's like sprinkled. It looks like it's like things that are flying off from the flowers, So it's sprinkled basically everywhere. Because you have them all the way up here, over here on her, lots on her hair. Some here. Right here, and I think that's about it, guys. So this is gonna look so beautiful, so shiny. Would you add more ABs, and where would you add them? I have no idea, but I think it's gonna be, look at this, look at this shine on this. I don't know if you can see that, but that's gorgeous. Anyway, so thank you very much, and I hope you enjoyed this painting as much as I do. Have a wonderful rest of the day. Bye-bye.